here at Ryan. Most of you would have probably heard by now that the road has actually collapsed, and so we have a situation where Silo Division, persons coming from Magati as well, have been cut off from Balaclava. This is the only roadway that connects the two major communities of Silo, Magati to Balaclava. The rain that has fallen over the past few days, the road has actually collapsed. And so we're using this opportunity to call on the relevant authorities, and particularly the Member of Parliament, alerting him as to the problem that we have here with the poor state of the roadway. And so I'm using this opportunity to reach out to the Member of Parliament to ask him to allocate some of the emergency funds that he has to assist with this emergency road repair that needs to take place. We need the MP to reach out to the National Works Agency because he is the only one who has that authority. This is not a parish council road. This is an NWA road. Right now the communities are marooned, and what we're going to have later on, you're going to hear that taxi fare going to have to increase because of the poor road condition and the long route that they're going to have to take. And so we're appealing to them to have the requisite funding be put in place so as to address what is clearly a clear and present danger.